Fáilte chuig an Garán Cuimhneacháin I Gceisleán Malahide. Malahide Demesne covers over 260 acres of estate parkland. It is one of the few surviving examples of 18th century landscape parks, with wide lawns surrounded by a protective belt of trees. The Talbot Botanic Gardens are situated behind the castle and comprise of several hectares of plants and lawns, a walled garden of 1.6 hectares and 7 glasshouses, including a Victorian conservatory and a butterfly house. Since 2018, Fingal County Council have provided an opportunity to plant a tree in one of our heritage parks as a symbol of commemoration. The memorial tree is a sustainable and manageable solution, offering both longevity and a place of reflection. The planting of a memorial tree as a tribute for the life of a friend or a loved one is an act as old as civilization itself. Its benefits have long been recognised. Trees are often planted in the knowledge that they will outlast us and benefit many future generations. As a memorial, it is a very fitting tribute, one that lasts. Trees are powerful symbols of renewal and growth. The oak tree is one of the most loved trees in the world, and with good reason. It's a symbol of strength, honour, wisdom and eternity. The oak grows slowly over time and is considered a storehouse of wisdom in its towering strength. Oak trees can reach a great size. They can reach 70 feet in height and 9 feet in width of the trunk. Their branches can reach 135 feet long. In past mythology, it was thought that the top branches of the oak extended up to the gods in heaven. This commemorative grove here in Malahide Demesne is a peaceful space where people can come to reflect and enjoy the memories past and present, and to reflect on the gift of life itself.
We live in the memory of those who loved us the most, and Fingal County Council's commemorative grove here in Malahide Castle gives an opportunity for people to come and to reflect and remember those that they love the most. The oak tree will outlive us all and last forever. So if you want to come, if you want to plant a tree so that you have a place and a space where you can come and remember your loved one, then log on to www.fingal.ie and download an application form.